Hello friends, today I will tell you how to download Python 3.9 on Windows 10 or any other Windows program. And I will give you one quick introduction of it also. So let's get started. So to download Python 3.9, you will have to go to python.org. This website will open when you will go to python.org. Then you will have to click on downloads. Now it will show you download the latest version for Windows. Then you will have to click on download Python 3.9. It will start downloading here. See, it has downloaded. Now I will open this. When you will open this application, this dialog box will get open. Then you will have to click on add Python 3.9 to path, and then you will go to customize installation. Next, you will click on next. Then you will go click on install for all users. It will install the Python program here. Now you will click on install. It will ask you, do you want this app to make changes to your device? You will click on yes. Now it will download. So it has almost downloaded. So now my Python 3.9 is installed. So for checking that it is installed or not, you have to search idle. When you will search idle, it will show you idle Python 3.9 64-bit. You have to click on this. Then it will open the Python shell. So in Python shell, you can do some basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can also print commands like print I installed Python today. So it will print I installed Python today. To check that you have installed Python successfully, you can also go to command prompt and it will open this, and then after this Lenovo you can type Python, and because to check in command prompt that we have installed Python or not, that's why we clicked on the option add Python 3.9 to path. So I can do the same operations here also, like it is showing. But the problem is, like when you will write print, it will not highlight that word, but it is the command of Python. But when you will do this in Python shell, it will highlight the word print and the inside thing. But in command prompt, it will not highlight. It will just be of the same color. Like I will show you by doing it here. So I have pasted here only. So I will click on Python, enter, and it is not highlighting the words here. It's just in the white color that it was there in all the operations.